The Moto E5 Plus has just launched in India. While we are furiously testing the phone to get you our full review and verdict as soon as possible, let's first take a look at what you get inside the box when you buy a Moto E5 Plus. So this is the box it comes in with bright orange accents. Flip it over and you get some of the main specs of the device. The massive 5000 mAh battery, the 6-inch 18:9 display, and there's a fingerprint scanner on the back of the phone too, and a Snapdragon SoC. Well, enough teasing, let's just open up the box. So here's the phone, already placed in a soft transparent case. The screen comes covered with a screen guard as well, and thankfully without any printing over it. Let's boot up the E5 Plus and keep it aside for now. Under that are the phone's warranty and other documents. Then there's the SIM eject tool. Finally, there's a 10-watt charger, a micro USB cable, and a pair of bundled earphones. Back to the phone. The Moto E5 Plus runs on Android 8 Oreo out of the box. It has a 6-inch Max Vision IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1440 pixels or HD+. It's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 SoC that's paired with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of inbuilt storage. The storage is also expandable up to 128 GB via microSD card. Now on the back of the Moto E5 Plus, you get a 12 megapixel camera with an LED flash, PDAF and laser autofocus. On the front, you get a 5 megapixel selfie camera and a selfie light. Now the 5000 mAh battery supports 10-watt rapid charging that claims to offer 6 hours of usage in just 15 minutes of charging. So this was a quick unboxing and a first look at the new Moto E5 Plus. Stay tuned for a full review, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.